and welcome to another unboxing video. Today, I will unbox the HyperX Double Shot PBT keycaps, a full 104 key set with a black pudding design. Currently, I am using some generic double shot ABS keycaps. You might wonder what is the difference between an ABS and a PBT. They are the type of plastic used in creating the keycaps. In general, PBT is seen superior over ABS because it is stiffer, durable, stays true in color, and doesn't develop a shine effect over time. Both have different feels, so it is best to test out both and decide what suits you. These are the contents of the box. You just saw a printout of a keyboard layout. You can use this as a guide when you install the keycaps later. Also inside are the actual keycaps grouped into 3 vacuum-sealed plastic. They are neatly laid out in a cardboard sheet. You also have a keycap ring-type puller. To help you with the installation, they have grouped the keycaps based on the section they are in. That means you can open one bag at a time to focus on a section. For this video, I'll open the bag containing the middle section first so that we can have a closer look at the spacebar, the keycap puller, and the font they used. You might notice that the bottom part of the keycap is translucent, while the topmost part is black. It looks like a flavored pudding, hence the name of the design. The colored part of the keycap has a texture to it. It's not the usual smooth plastic surface as you can see here. That's what I prefer, by the way. You can see the bottom part is mostly the translucent part, proving that the keycap is double shot. What is double shot, you ask? Unlike printing the letters to the surface of the keycap, this keycap type is produced when 2 layers of the plastic are molded into each other. The end result is the letter will never fade or chip off. This is the keycap puller included in the box. This is a ring type puller. I'm not a fan of this type of puller because it may scratch your keycap if you are not careful enough. I prefer this type. This is a wire keycap puller. This will make minimal contact to the keycap. Let's test the keycaps in different lighting configuration. Now, let's do some sound tests using Cherry MX Reds. I like the sound of the keycaps because it has a deeper sound compared to my generic keycaps. I reckon that the generic brand used a lesser density ABS plastic, hence it has a higher pitch, and you can somehow hear a ring as though you can hear the spring. And that is my unboxing and review of the HyperX Double Shot keycaps. I hope you enjoyed the video and can help you decide on your next keycap purchase. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and punch the bell icon to be notified for my future videos. Once again, this is RaeveN. Have a good day. Bye!